Hey there, little explorer. Put on your floaties and grab your towel. It's time for a giggly, splashy adventure with your friends. Tia and Rio. Let's dive into the water park Wonder Day. One sunny morning, Tia and Rio were ready for something splashy. They packed their towels, their floaties, and the biggest giggles ever. Let's go to the water park. They cheered, and off they ran. They gave their tickets at the gate. And whoosh! The water park doors opened wide. First stop, the floaty station. Tia picked a pink unicorn floaty, sparkly and sweet. Rio picked a silly blue shark with tiny teeth and googly eyes. They plopped into the lazy river. Splish, splash, bounce. Wiggly toes, floaty hugs, and lots of happy bubbles. Then they found the mushroom fountain. Wow! Water was falling like rain, and it tickled their heads. Tia twirled in circles. Rio did the wiggly worm dance. They laughed and sang, drip, drop, water on my nose. Next, the twisty slide. Up, up, up they climbed, holding hands and giggling. 1, 2, 3, zoom! Down they went. Way! With a splash so big it made the lifeguard giggle too. After all that sliding and splashing, their tummies rumbled. So they sat under a big yellow umbrella and munched on juicy watermelon. Oh! The wind blew Tia's hat up, and plop right onto Rio's head. Both of them burst into the silliest giggles of the day. As the sun started to go down, they splashed one last time in the wave pool, jumping and spinning and shouting, "Best day ever!" Tia and Rio waved goodbye to the water park. "Let's come back soon," they said, with sparkly eyes and soggy toes. What was your favorite part? The twisty slide, the mushroom fountain, or the snacky break? Until next time, keep splashing, keep giggling, and keep smiling. And remember, all the fun begins right here with your friends at c'duO.